Hi and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a website for a sports massage business. It's super and easy using Mighty Sites. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites, it's only $9 a month and makes it really easy to create a simple professional website for any type of local business. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to type in here and find the template. So there's a template for sports massage therapist. I'm going to select that. And then you just put in your business name. So I'll just put Keegan Sports Massage. There we go. And then I'll put in my city, which is Denver, Colorado, and then type of business. Let's say service business because you're providing a service for people. And then I'm just going to click continue. And then the beauty of this system is that just like that, it's going to automatically work and generate a simple professional website template for you to use. So you can see as I scroll down here, it's got the images already, it's got the text pre-written, and now it's just up to you to do the editing that you want to change around the website. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. And you can be done with this website in literally about 5 minutes, and this can become your online business card for your sports massage business. So first things first, maybe you want to change the colors. So this like navy is what it will be by default, but maybe you say like, oh, I really would prefer like a red color or a green color. Whatever it is, you just go through these different color palettes and you just keep clicking through and then just find the one that you feel like works best for your business and has the look and feel that you're going for, just depending on your brand or if you have a logo, anything like that. So again, I can just, click through all these. Let's just say that I really prefer like this gray color, right? I gray and purplish color. Then I can use that. Or I can, just select and click through and try all different ones, right? And if you get to the place where you would prefer to change the color at a certain point along your journey, you can do that too. You can just go in and be like, hey, I want to change the colors of my website now. And that's really nice and convenient too, because in case you have like a logo change or something like that, just makes your life easier. So once I find the color that I like, I just go to update section and I can update any of these sections with just a point and a click. So let's just start by putting in my email address. Click to have it show on the website. I'll put in my phone number too because I want people to be able to find me and give me a call, obviously. So I'll save that. If you have like a specific location, you can put in your address here too. But if you just want to say like city and state, you can leave that as is. If you have like a Facebook page for your sports massage business, just simply copy and paste in the link to that. Same for Instagram. You can just or any of these social media sites, you can just literally copy and paste in. I'm just typing it out for simplicity. And then they'll show up right here at the top. So now I've linked my email address, I click to call, I've got my social media sites, so that's all there for me. If I go to update section here, now I can update the menu, and let's just say I want to add another link for any reason. I just put, nav, and I choose where it links. I can link to another website. So if you have like a booking or something like that, actually let's do that. So let's just say, book now. And then Calendly is free. So if you're not using like a Calendly appointment, I definitely suggest checking it out. It'll let people book appointments with you. So let's just say that's something that you want to do. You just copy the link and then I'll put book now. And then I'll just put the link to my Calendly appointment, add that to my menu, save my menu, and then you'll see now book now. And if somebody clicks on that, they can just book an appointment right there, right? So it's really, really simple and easy to use. Under update section, I can go in and update a logo too. So I can leave it as my name, or if I'd prefer, I can just go in here and let's just find a logo on my site. I can go in here to logo and let's just find the logo for Mighty Sites that I've got on my computer here. So I'll upload the logo. And as soon as I do that and it uploads, I just click save. And then I can click here on make it bigger. I can click here to make it smaller. I can click on this little pencil icon too, and then I get all of these picture and image cropping and editing tools. So I'll just go right here and I'll just, kind of trim it down at the top and bottom, let's say, just crop it a little bit, and then that'll reload. And then I click save, and there we go, it's a little bigger. So now you can see my website's starting to come along pretty quick and easy, and it looks really professional. So now let's say I want to update this section. Let's just say I want this to just say sports massage business, right? It'll come pre-written for me, but I can type in whatever I want. So you can see I just type in a little bit of new text there. Schedule massage. So why don't I'll do the same thing. I could maybe have this be click to call if I want, or click to email for somebody to schedule a massage. And then they'll just, on their mobile device, it'll open up their email or their phone, or I could link to my Calendly again. But let's just say, let's make this click to call this time. So now if somebody's on a mobile device and they click on schedule a massage, and they click on it, it'll open a click to call. The other thing I could do is link it right here to my contact form. So to do that, I just update this section, and I will go right here and choose where that links, my website, and then I'll just select the lead form section and confirm. And now if somebody wants to schedule a massage, they click on that and it brings them right here to submit themselves as a lead. So that works really well too. And then I'll show you how that works and how you follow up with them after. Contact us, that might be a good spot for the click to call. So I'll make that link, click to call. A lot of people will be on mobile. So there we go. Now they'll call my sports massage business. All the text is really easy to edit. So I just literally point and click the update section area where I want to edit, and I can put in, this is how to make a website for a sports massage business. So I just type in what I want it to say. I can make it bold, I can make it italics, I can link it somewhere else too. So I'll just save that and close. Now, really cool feature as well. Let's just say that you want to change any of these images. So let's just say that you'd prefer a different image here. You can go in update section, update image, and then I can either browse and update an image from my computer, or I can search the photo library here. And when I do that, I get access to a whole bunch of images. Sports massage is search, but you can search anything you want here. You can just search like massage, and you'll get different images, but there's a whole library built into your site where you can just search whatever image you want, and then you can change it over. So let's just say that I prefer this image maybe. So I'll just switch it to this, select that, and now I've got a new image here on the site for my sports massage, right? And then I can reset that if I want, and let's just search for a different one. Let's just say that I feel like, this is the best image for me, right? I can select this photo and add it, and now it replaces, and I've got a brand new photo there too, right? So it's really simple and easy to then you just save it, close it. So it's really simple and easy to just kind of switch around the photos, either using photos that you have or using new ones. You can write about all your services here, and then I'll show you, and you can see, like I said, in like 5 minutes, you're pretty much done, right? You've got this simple professional website for your business where you can use that to market yourself, link it to your social media sites, all of those types of things. Now, if I go in here and I just put my name, so I just put Keegan, and then Keegan at mightysites.com, and then I'll put in my phone number, and then I am interested in receiving a sports massage, right? Just type in my message and click send. And get this little thank you message as the customer. So I'm going to click stop editing now. And you can see when I click stop editing, those update section buttons go away because those are only for you. So now as I scroll through, just really simple professional website here, right? So if I go back to the site dashboard now, you'll get an email notification letting you know you have a new lead. And when you click in here, you can see the person who's interested in a sports massage. So now that's really nice and easy. Now I can generate leads for my business right through my website. When you're ready, connect a domain. You just paste in your domain, and then you'll get a set of instructions for the updates that you need to make with your registrar. So with Google Domains or GoDaddy, just to point your domain back to your new website. And once that's done, you'll get issued a secure certificate. So you have a nice, simple, secure, but professional looking website for a sports massage business, just like that, right? And just took like a few minutes to set up, only $9 a month. Click on the link below to get started. There's a 7-day free trial. No credit card required. You can see if it works for you, which hopefully it's a great option for you. And then this will help you promote and attract customers to your sports massage business. So wishing you the best of luck. Thanks for checking out this video.